I am Professor Alka Kriplani. I am heading the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology at All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Our department was established in the year 1956 and presently we have strength of 18 faculty members, 24 senior residents, 45 junior residents and 8 or 10 research staff, a big department. Our department is catering to all high-risk pregnancy cases and we have wonderful nursery backup, we have excellent fetal monitoring facilities and giving very good results in terms of maternal and perinatal outcome. The Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology is also involved in providing world-class services in the field of minimally invasive MIS surgery, and that includes hysterectomy and all those minimally invasive surgeries which are very beneficial for patients. A department is having established IVF facilities where regularly it is being provided to all the poor and needy. We also have excellent fetal medicine services available, oncology services including preventive oncology and operative oncology and general gynecology. Department deals with very heavy workload. Nearly in a year 5,000 major and 4,000 minor surgeries are performed by the department. These include all operations related to uterus, infertility surgeries, fertility enhancing endoscopic surgeries, laparoscopy, hysteroscopy, robotic surgeries and open surgeries. High-risk pregnancy cases are also managed because of want of space. Basically, we are catering mostly to only high-risk pregnancy cases. Department regularly organizes teaching training programs, CMEs and workshops, live workshops, hands-on workshops, literally in all the fields, in operative obstetric and gynecology, in minimally invasive, in fetal medicine, in ART procedures, and providing world-class services in all these fields and imparting training and teaching to hundreds and thousands of people coming from all over corners of India and abroad are trained in various fields. Regularly we run a very popular training program in the name of WHI, which caters to 10 to 20 people in a batch, and we impart endoscopy training regularly. Department is doing very good research. We have centers from ICMR with the name of HRRC, High Risk Reproduction, with the WHO Center for Research in Reproduction, and we have our own faculty where regularly we are conducting research in all the fields of obstetric and gynecology. Primary mission of the department is to reduce maternal mortality, to impart teaching and training in all spheres of the subject of obstetric and gynecology, including minimally invasive surgery, including fetal medicine, including ART services, including fertility regulation, excellent abortion services, and to provide all these services to people who are coming from all over the country to us, poor, rich, treating them alike and providing everybody the world-class services. Our new center, MCH Center, we hope will come up soon and we will be able to expand our department because we have constant pressure of taking increasing workload as patient load is very high and there are long waiting lists for all these procedures, and ultimate aim is to impart training and teaching and produce world-class teachers so that teaching all over the country can be better.